Today, I will be giving you a brief tutorial on how to set up your professional email and be able to use it on your phone. So, the first thing that we are going to do is to first of all, you are going to install the Gmail application in your iOS or your Android device. Then you open it. Now, when you open it, you go to where your icon is. So that you go to where your icon is, you select the add new account, add another account. Once you click on add another account, you click on add another account now. Once you click on add another account, you scroll down to where you see others IMAP. Click on others IMAP. Then once you click on your others IMAP, you copy that your business email address. I've created an account already. So business email address. So you copy the business email address, then you paste it or you write it if you know it by hand. Then you allow it to check. The next thing you are going to do is to impute what? The password. So I've created a password for this tutorial. So you copy the password and you paste it there. Now, once you paste it there, you leave the port address and the security type. You leave the port address and the security type there. Then the next you copy the IMAP server is your default email, your default domain name. So the next thing you leave the port address, you leave the security type, then you click on what? Next. Now, once you click on next, it will validate your settings, then it will come to the outgoing server settings. Now you do the same thing, you put the username, you put the password, then the SMTP server is your domain name. So you put the same thing there and you leave the port address and the security tips. Once you do that, put the port address and the security tip. Now, once you're able to do that, you click next. Now just check it. I'm checking through it now. You click next. Now it will validate your settings. Now once these settings are validated, it will automatically ask you to put your display name, and voila, that is all you need to do, and that is how you set up a professional email address and you use it on your mobile device using the Gmail application. Thank you very much. So ensure to subscribe to my YouTube channel for more tech tips on how to use basic tools and devices in technology. I remain your very host, Obinayuma Victor. Thank you for watching. Please ensure to subscribe and share this video. Thank you.